Hello friends, welcome to episode 9 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. So as of now, in the playlist Stock Market Technical Analysis, these are the topics that we have already covered. If you have missed out on any of these, make sure you watch them so that your understanding becomes more clear. So we spoke about Marubozu candle, we spoke about Doji candle, in the last episode we spoke about spinning top, and today we're going to be talking about hammer or hanging man. So hammer or hanging man can be considered to be a trend reversal. It depends in which trend it is formed. So let's get into the video where we look at the theoretical part, how the candle is formed, what it looks like, and during which trend the candle formation is called hammer and during which trend it is called hanging man. Post which we'll be looking at the candle on charts to understand how they really work. So make sure you watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on the chart analysis as well. So what you see on your screen right now is the formation of a hammer or a hanging man. So first you need to understand both look the same, but which trend they come in may be different. Let me be more clear about this. If the prior trend is downwards, and if you see either of these candles formed towards the bottom, that may indicate that the prices will start moving up from there. That is when this candle is called a hammer. Hanging man is opposite of this. When the prior trend is upwards and you see these candles formed on the top, that may indicate a reversal in price. That is when it is called hanging man. So the color may be different. It can be either green or red, but you need to see how the prices are reacting after that. So I hope this is clear. When you see these candles in a downtrend, it is called a hammer, which indicates that the prices may start moving up. If you see these candles in the uptrend, this indicates that the prices may start moving downwards. Let us try to analyze this on a chart. So this chart, consider the white candles to be the prices moving up, which we usually look at in green. Okay. So what you see here is a hammer formation. The prior trend was downwards. So this candle, there was an interest in buying. Now you can see how the prices have started moving upwards from here. So hammer is formed during the downtrend. Here throughout the sellers were in control. So the hammer candle shows that the buyers try to take control and post which you see the upward movement. Now let's look at hanging man. This candle here. Now do you see the prior trend? The prior trend was completely upwards. The hanging man was formed. Post which there was a downfall in the prices. Now here again, if you see, there was a hammer formation that we spoke about in the previous chart, and then there was a upward move in the prices. Let's try to see if there is another hanging man, right? So here in this candle as well, you can see a hanging man formed and the prices should go down from here. So I hope you guys have understood what a hammer is and what a hanging man is, right? The hammer is formed in the downtrend. The hanging man comes in the uptrend, which indicates a reversal in the trend itself. I've shown you on the charts what they may do and how the prices react. I completely stress on candle analysis before taking any positions or even entering the market, because this will give you an idea about who is in control, what are the different candles. These candles that I usually talk about are pretty evident. The shapes may vary a little, but they will give you a lot of information and how you can take positions in the market. Make sure you hit the thumbs up icon if you like the video. Do comment your learnings as well. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to Mostly Bearish, because this is a journey and I'm taking everything concept wise so that as the concepts get deeper, you don't miss out on any of the prior videos. Thank you so much for watching.